WeatherTech products are the best automotive accessories in the world. They are developed, designed, and manufactured in Bolingbrook, Illinois. The success of WeatherTech is based upon offering excellent products and building profits for our partners. We have a strong minimum advertised price policy and provide extensive marketing support. Our national advertising has created the strongest automotive brand recognition in the automotive aftermarket. We're here today to talk to you about how we can help and create a completely new revenue stream for you with very little effort. We literally can turn a small space in your store into thousands, perhaps tens of thousands of dollars. Let me, through this video, give you a sample of what I mean. Sound good? Great. Our floor liner is digitally designed for a perfect fit and offers the most complete coverage in the industry. They're available for virtually all makes and models. Our front rows are available in a two-piece design, and in select models are one-piece over the hump. They utilize factory retention. They're available for the first, second, and third row, and they can be easily cleaned with disinfectants to help protect the interior of your vehicle. They're available in 4 colors: black, cocoa, gray, and tan. The floor liner HP is custom fit to your vehicle's make and model. The soft yet durable texture provides traction and gripping even when wet. The anti-slip feature and the non-slip cleats hold the floor liner HP firmly in place, and the beveled edges prevent the liner from curling. The high-performance design provides stability so there's no slipping or sliding, and the retention system anchors in place and is watertight, and it prevents messes from leaking onto your vehicle's interior. The optional side trim line cuts away to display vanity sill plates. The floor liner HP is available in 4 colors: black, cocoa, gray, and tan. Our cargo liners are digitally designed to protect the trunk or cargo area of your car, SUV, CUV, or van. They feature a raised lip to keep the spills and dirt and grease off the vehicle's interior. The textured, skid-resistant surface keeps cargo from shifting, and they install easily and come rolled up in a box. They're available in 4 colors: black, cocoa, gray, and tan. The Bump Step and Bump Step XL are made out of a patented composite resin. They fit any standard 2-inch receiver, and they protect against bumps and scratches from minor accidents. The step is fully functional and holds up to 300 pounds and allows access to the roof of the vehicle. The Bump Step measures 12 inches wide, while the Bump Step XL measures 24 inches wide. The under-seat storage system is custom designed to fit the exact contours of the most popular trucks, and there's no tools or drilling required. They install simply with a nylon strap. The built-in dividers help keep things organized and are low enough so longer items can be placed on the top. They're available in black and are priced right. WeatherTech's no-drill mud flaps use factory holes where available, and where not, install with our patented quick-turn fastening system. Unlike competing products that require you to drill, our OE-friendly install leaves your vehicle's body paint intact. They're available for the most popular trucks and SUVs and CUVs, and the flaps can be installed without removing your tires and wheels. The trim-to-fit mats are a value-priced solution for interior protection needs. They're made from an OE-approved material that will not crack or peel like competing imported products. They feature a unique driver and passenger side design and can be easily trimmed to fit the interior where needed. Special nibs at the bottom reduce shifting, and the driver's side utilizes either tech grip or matte grip retention to prevent shifting. The trim-to-fit mat comes in 3 styles: trim-to-fit 4-piece, the trim-to-fit 3-piece with over-the-hump rear, and the trim-to-fit HD. They're available in 3 colors: black, gray, and tan. Complete your interior protection needs for your SUV, CUV, or van with a trim-to-fit cargo mat. The trim-to-fit cargo mat features a tall outer ridge to help contain spills. It too is available in 3 colors: black, gray, and tan. WeatherTech side window deflectors allow fresh air ventilation and keeps precipitation out and reduces wind noise while driving. They install in the window channel for a true OE look. The dark tint is optically clear, so they don't create a blind spot. WeatherTech side window deflectors offers the broadest application coverage on the market for cars, SUVs, CUVs, and vans. We receive a lot of questions on how to clean floor liners and floor mats. WeatherTech makes an exclusive cleaner and protectant to address this need. The product is specifically designed to clean, and refurbish floor liners and floor mats. The two-step process includes a cleaner and a protectant. The cleaner removes scuff marks, dirt, and grease, while the protectant creates a long-lasting, like-new appearance to help prevent staining. I want to thank you for the time today and want to note that these are just a few of the many quality products offered by WeatherTech.